Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. Today we shall discuss the Azure Repo branching mechanism. In this channel, you can get the training for Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure Web CICD available. If you need any help, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In this channel, every video is prepared by certified Azure DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please search for DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please subscribe the button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In chapter 6, we shall discuss the branching mechanism and the best approach for the branching. First of all, we should know about the source control system. In source control system is a system in which the development team keep the source file like Java, C# and Python. In Azure Cloud, there are two source control system. One is Git and other is for team foundation version control. So in this case, first of all, when on the Azure DevOps, we create the project, we shall write the name of the project, we shall select the repository, visibility, and after that we shall select the version control. There are two types of version control. One is Git and other is team foundation version control. After selecting the system control, source control, Git or team foundation version control, we press the create button. When we shall press the create button, first of all, when we click on the branches link, by default we get the dev branch. We can get the dev branch or master branch or main branch. There may be any by default. After that, when we open the source control in the Visual Studio, now we shall create the branch. Like as you can in the Visual Studio, when you click on the combo box, then you will get the two options. Like one is new branch. We shall click on the new branch button. When we shall click on the new branch button, our current branch was dev, and after that we are creating the branch QA from the dev. So we shall click on the button create button. QA branch will be created based on the dev branch. So in this case, in the Visual Studio, when we create the branch, that branch will become the current branch. As you can see on the screen, is the QA branch is the current branch. Similarly, now we have created the different branches. The main important thing that we should know is about the child-parent relationship between the branches. Like first of all, we have created the branch dev. After that, from the dev we create the QA. From QA we create the UAT, and from UAT we create the production. First of all, we create the feature branch from the dev branch. The feature branch is the branch on which our development team implement the development and merge it into the dev branch after the completion of the development task. So after that, when we get the code in dev, we merge it into QA. QA is the branch on which our quality assurance team tests the code by using the application. After the testing, we move the code to UAT branch. UAT branch is the branch on which client check the task that we want to move on the production. After the acceptance area from the client, we move the code to the production branch. We have made this branch hotfix In a situation when there is a issue on the production branch, on the production application, development team fix the issue on the hotfix branch and merge it to the prod branch. So after the fixing of the issue, development team merge it backward merging, like from prod to UAT, from UAT to QA, and from QA to dev. This is known as backward merging. And the first one is from feature to dev, dev to QA, QA to UAT, and UAT to production is known as forward merging. Every branch has a special purpose that you can see on the right hand side. Production branch is for the live application, UAT for the client, and QA for the QA team, and dev is the branch where we have latest code from all the team. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by DevOps certified engineer. Wish you good luck for your profession.